Hello, my name is Jack. I'm a product specialist here at Acura. Today I want to give a tech tutorial how to activate the remote mirror folding on the ZDX. This option can be seen on this vehicle. Every time you lock your vehicle, the mirrors will fold into a more compact position. This is good for compact parking lots and overall city settings, stuff like that. So to turn this on, you go to settings and then you click vehicle. You just have to scroll down a little bit and you'll find comfort and convenience. Once you click comfort and convenience, you can see from factory remote mirror folding is turned off. All you have to do is click that switch and toggle it on. And now we can test it out. All you have to do is power off your vehicle as normal. Go ahead and lock the vehicle. Do that with the keyless option. And now the mirrors fold in to a nice compact position.